Do you want early access? Do you want uncut reactions? If so, then check out our Patreon. Link in the description down below. Everything's ending. I hate it. I mean, first we have, well, it's not over, but we're taking a break for a week from My Hero Academia, which is understandable. I mean, New Year's and all that. And then, of course, we finally saw the end of Mob Psycho 100, which that show's going to stick with me, man. I love that show so much. And now we have this, Chainsaw Man, which is coming to an end. Konosuba, which we will be finishing up the run of the series, but we have various OVAs plus a movie, and then of course we have Spy X Family, which I think we have 2 more episodes, I think, of it before it's over for now. So yeah, everything's ending, and I hate it, but oh well, that's just...
We had a pretty fire lineup here for a bit. It's going to be hard to follow.
Yes, it is. And I know that there's going to be people listing suggestions in the comment section. That's just...
Start thinking of your suggestions, but what we normally do is we put out a video that we ask you to comment on specifically so we can see them all in one spot there.
Yes. So, alright though. Anyway, shall we go ahead and just dive right into the finale of Season 1 of Chainsaw Man?
Probably.
1本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うタバコはこの1本だけだ。最低な先輩だな。
未成年なの？
そうだけど。
じゃあ吸っちゃダメに決まってんじゃん。じゃあこの1本は私が預かっておこう。何かに寄りかかりたくなったら返してあげる。
Uh-oh. Oh. Easy revenge. Himeno's last message.
恐怖心を見る。姫野先輩が言っていたことだ。
If you're not afraid of it, it won't hurt you.
姫野先輩、もうすぐ俺も行きます。
Uh-huh.
ヘビ。
殺すな。
Ooh.
小紅、お前はどうして公安に残ったんだ？
すぐボーナスが出るので。
Okay.
What is she doing? Oh, gross.
What? She's hungry.
肉は肉じゃろ。
No, no, it's not.
人も同じじゃ。
全然違うね。
Exactly. Genji knows what's
俺
up.
たちの仕事。
Oh.
Oh. 大きな声出すなよ。
Damn it.
わしの名はパワー。こいつらなら勝てる。勝負じゃ。色は任せるぞ。そして言い伝える。
He's not even watching.
Why is it always the crazy ones that I always wind up having as my partner? Oh, what's up with you?
もう土産マン。
待て待て待て、少し話さないか。お前の態度次第じゃ俺たちは投降するつもりだ。お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。その償いをしてほしい。
てめえのお仲間のじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
嘘つくんじゃねえ。仮に本当だったとしてた。ゾンビも元は人間。そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないのか。
全然。
俺でもな、うっかりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には眠れなくなるぜ。お前に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ。おとなしく殺されねえか。
Nah.
I'm sorry, man, but this warped logic that you're working through in your mind, like somehow Denji owes you something. You know, the fact that your grandfather was a loan sharking piece of shit.
Those zombies used to be people. Yeah, used to be.
Yeah, and not only that, but
Dude, like, you're so fucking weird for thinking that, like, killing zombies is a bad thing, because that's pretty much universally
he's just looking for
known at this point.
He's looking for any logical loophole that he can work through in his head that gives him carte blanche to kill Denji without any consequence to it. I hate to break it to you. Your granddad was a piece of shit. Their friends were pieces of shit. You're a piece of shit. And guess what? This doesn't free you from any sort of consequence of what has happened.
やだ。
してやるよ。
やってみろよ、ベ
Here we go. Damn. Okay.
Holy shit.
All right. May want to run. Whoa. Run. Ow.
禁止にしようぜ、それ。
Shit.
じいちゃん殺したこと死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
What? No.
頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね。
バカが。あったか。引き時ってやつをよ。
Ah.
じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。
目に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとな、バー
Oh!
カ。取らなかったか。獣が狩人の言葉信じるなってな。
Get fucked.
Yeah, get shit on.
やっぱあんた俺と同じなんだな。
ぶっ殺してやら。
負け犬の声はでけえな。てめえは姫の先輩を殺した。面のいい美人がてめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだ。今から大会を開く。
Oh.
いいとこに来たな。
Hey, Aki.
こちら4課早川。時計館前線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見。こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、
Oh.
警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
正気かお前。
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
そんなことしたって姫の先輩は喜ばない。ああ、勝ったら何くれんだ。
Ah.
もちろんこいつの玉金や。
He's gonna be singing falsetto by the time the cops get there.
Yep.
Hey,
姫の先輩、
go.
天国まで聞こえるか。俺たちからあんたへの
A requiem.
さ
沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し、心臓を要求していたそうです。それが聞き出す前に。銃の悪魔との契約で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。だから銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
Oh yeah, back from the beginning of the season.
Yeah, that's right.
So we never got to see what was up with this.
デンジ、
ポチだポチだ、出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。
デンジ、絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
What?
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Okay. I was gonna say, who was that?
Weird.
I don't think we've seen anyone with that distinct hairstyle before. I don't know what to make of that.
Pretty cryptic.
Yeah. I would say very cryptic. Damn. Okay,
Are
so
we just stupid?
maybe.
Are we supposed to know what's going on?
I don't know. Don't look at me. I mean, hell, dude, I'm just like, you know?
It's like I was half expecting some kind of major like moment before the end of it, you know, but it's more like it just leaves us with like a, oh.
Yeah, it leaves us with like a. Wait a second. What?
Yeah. Like, I was also on edge, like from him walking out on the balcony to smoke. I was like, something bad's gonna happen. Something bad's gonna happen. And this time, at least, I was wrong.
Oh yeah, I'm glad nothing bad happened. I was scared for a second. I was like, wait, what? No, nothing bad. Please, nothing bad. And nothing bad happened. So I was like,
I was kind of thinking what a time it would be for that same shockwave like the Gun Devil did before to just come and like smear Aki on the side of his own fucking balcony.
just destroy him.
Aki.
Yeah.
I mispronounced that.
Make Aki into basically just
paste on the wall. Yeah.
Yeah. Repaint the side of the building.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be horrible. Well, yeah, this was most definitely a great series. That ending, I'm glad that we got a resolution that was good, but at the same time, I'm just like, there's so many unanswered questions with the gun demon and with Makima. Like, what's her deal? And then, of course, Aki and what's going to happen with him now that he has this new pact with this new demon. I mean, shit. There's a lot, dude. There's a lot going on. But anyway, I'm just grateful that y'all stuck with us through this whole thing. And I know that we had a bit of a delay because of, community guideline strikes, which ain't that a bitch. But, oh well. I guess, yeah, if you all are interested in seeing more Chainsaw Man, you're gonna have to wait. Because,
as are we.
Yeah. This is something that I'm just like, oh, I can't wait. I'm literally just, like, falling over myself is just like, what could this all mean? What's going to happen? What's going to happen with Denji? What's with the door? Why can't he open the door now? Who was that at the end there? What's going to happen with Aki and Makima and the public safety organization? I don't know. And there's so much, but yeah. Needless to say, we're Hey, we're excited to see what comes next for Chainsaw Man.
Like, I have to say, like, that was definitely a 10 out of 10 intro to a series.
Yes.
I think it might be one of the least, like, revealing of any, like, first seasons of animes I've ever seen, though.
Yeah.
Like, it set up, like, the main basic, like, antagonist by name. And outside of that, pretty much entirely raised questions without any answers. Like, the only answer was basically, like, why they all got attacked. Like, and it was still kind of a vague answer. Like, it was obviously a contract with the Gun Devil, but we don't know specifically, like, still... we can assume the Gun Devil is scared of Denji. Like,
I would say that.
but we don't know why it knows about him. Like, you know, like how it knows that Pachita's fused with him. Like, there's why Pachita was injured to start with that I'm kind of thinking may have something to do with it. I'm thinking, like, a devil that is a chainsaw devil would obviously be a little more feared due to, you know, movies like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre and such. Therefore, wouldn't be just a little dog. Like, so I'm thinking it used to be a more fierce devil. Like, Pachita used to be a more fierce devil that,
And then
like,
something
was
happened.
gravely injured and lost a lot of its power.
Yeah.
And probably had a previous run-in with the Gun Devil before that.
Probably. And maybe the Chainsaw Devil made an impact on the Gun Devil, like, hurt it really bad, and that's why...
And we were introduced to a shark and a spider devil, correct?
Yes. And an angel.
Yeah,
And an angel devil.
Angel was an interesting one. It's like, I guess there's people who fear angels, but you wouldn't figure that'd be, like...
Well, it depends
super
on
bad
what
for
you...
you.
It depends on what you interpret as an angel, because there's some people who see angels as, like, you know, those who act on behalf of God and lift people up. Then there are others who see angels as literally, like, the legion that carries out God's, like, plagues. For instance, like the angel of death visiting Egypt and claiming all the firstborn children. I mean, imagine... I would imagine the Egyptians would be very, very fearful of angels, knowing what one of them was capable of doing to their firstborn children.
Yeah. But I'm kind of thinking, like, there's some definite, like, devil ideas that could be crazy in the series, and the Gun Devil may not even be the ultimate antagonist in the series.
Maybe not. Maybe not. I mean, because...
Like, I kind of see a lot of potential in this to go for a while, and I'm hoping it doesn't, like, run short overall, you know?
I hope it doesn't run short, and I also hope it doesn't overstay its welcome, because
yeah,
that
true.
can be a problem, too.
But I would like to see a Darkness Devil, because obviously that's going to be...
People have a natural fear of the dark.
The Dark Devil is going to be powerful as shit. An Unknown Devil...
Which has no form, because no one can really know what it look. No one really knows what it looks like.
Yeah, and then, like, a fucking... shit, what else? I had one other idea.
Here we are. A spider devil. Well, we see him
So
snake
we saw
devil.
this. I think the spider was one of the girls that was with the group. Along
Oh,
with the
wait,
shark,
yeah,
wasn't
that's
it?
right. Acrophobia, canophobia, fear of dogs, astrophobia, fear of thunder and lightning,
Yeah.
claustrophobia. Well, those are...
So I've actually known someone who has a fear of thunderstorms. So that's a definite...
Fear of social situations.
I feel like the social anxiety devil would be the most powerful of all.
Dude, the trypanophobia devil, fear of injections and needles. Could you imagine? Sort of like a Freddy Krueger thing.
Yeah.
Dude, that'd be terrifying.
The dentist devil.
Yeah. Nyctophobia.
Yeah.
Or nyctophobia. I forget what it... Yeah, the fear of the dark is a common phobia. And I would love to see just various devils that just we could never think of. And yeah, anyway, though, because I think that's enough for this, everybody. This was Chainsaw Man, Season 1, Episode 12, the finale, the Katana Man versus Chainsaw Man. So, yeah. If y'all enjoyed and you want to see more, let us know what you all think. I mean, hell, let us know of a fear that would translate very well into being a devil.
Oh, the clown devil.
Clown devil.
Obviously, there needs
yeah.
to be a clown devil at some point.
Yeah. Oh gosh, the ethalophobia devil. You know what that is?
Is that sharks?
No. People who have a fear of penises.
Oh. I'd pass on wanting to see that one.
No, I would too. I'm just joking around. I'm just being a dick. Pun very much intended. So, alright. Thank y'all very much for tuning in. What did y'all think of Season 1 of Chainsaw Man? Did it meet your expectations? Were you happy with the outcome? I mean, let us know in the comments down below, everybody. And I guess until next time, signing off, I'm Nate.
I am Nick.
Y'all take care, everybody. Peace.